Hazrat Urwa bin Zubair has reported from Hazrat Abu Humaid Saidi radiyallahu anhu that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam appointed a person called Ibn Luthaybiyah as a collector to collect poor due. When he came and gave the detail, he said, "This wealth is for you, whereas this one is gift for me." Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam whereupon said, "Well, you should have stayed at your father's and mother's house, then see how many gifts might be given to you if you are true." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then addressed us. So after praising and glorifying Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "To proceed, when I appointed any of you as a collector for which Allah Jalla Jalaluhu has authorized me, he later comes to me and says, 'This is your revenue, whereas this one has been given to me as a gift.' Why did he not remain in his father's and his mother's house until the gifts were sent to him? By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, whoso amongst you misappropriates this wealth, he will meet Allah Jalla Jalaluhu carrying it. I know well that when any one of you will meet Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, he will be carrying a camel that will be rumbling, or a cow that will be bellowing, or a goat that will be bleating." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam then raised his hand that even the whiteness of his armpits became visible. And then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, have I conveyed your command? My eye witnessed it, and my eye witnessed it, and my ear heard it." Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 6979.